TechnoGimp. Let's go black and white. Teach. Let's go black and white. Software demo. Learners create a black and white threshold image using threshold. List of topics. Convert an image to black and white using threshold. Materials. Computer. TechnoGimp workbook, pages 87 to 90. Have you seen a black and white photo? Using threshold. A threshold image is also called a binary image because it contains only two colors, black and white. However, do not confuse a threshold image with a grayscale image. While threshold images use black and white, grayscale images use multiple shades of gray. The threshold tool converts all existing pixels of the selected layer to black and white pixels. Open the image file, powerfist.png. This image is an example of a grayscale image. To use the threshold tool, go to the menu bar and click on Colors, Threshold. The pixels of the image are instantly converted to black and white. There are two sliders found in the threshold dialog box. A. The black and white sliders. On the lower left of the main slider, you can precisely adjust or input the B. Value of the black slider. Meanwhile, you can adjust the C. Value for the white slider on the lower right of the main slider. In the example below, the value of the black slider was increased to 166. This darkened some regions of the image because the white pixels were converted to black pixels. By decreasing the value of the black slider to 90, the features of the fist became more visible. Increase the value of the black slider back to 166. Then click on OK to apply the changes. The image should now look like this. The features of the fist are still visible even if the image is in black and white. Processing questions. What is the difference between a threshold image and a grayscale image? Check your understanding. Grayscale brings each pixel within the spectrum of gray, so a bright pixel is converted to a brighter shade of gray, and a dark pixel is converted to a darker shade of gray, whereas threshold's binary function converts each pixel to just black and white. So a bright pixel is converted to white and a dark pixel is converted to black. In the next activity, we will be doing more threshold conversions.